Do you know what? When I come to Chelmsford,
Come to Chelmsford!
I ain't gonna know what city.
No.
Well, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna be like...
You're wrong there, because it's not even a city.
I'm gonna be like a hurricane from the west.
No, it's not.
Chelmsford's a city.
No.
It is.
Yeah.
No, it's actually called a city.
It's classed as a
It
city.
is. It is classed as a city.
Yep, she's right.
It is. It seriously is.
Yeah.
In whose world?
No, it's called a city.
In mine and Cara as well.
It's got a cathedral. Chelmsford Cathedral.
Yeah, I prayed there once.
Played what? What did you play?
Played with your man banjo.
Pray.
Oh, did you play?
Played. Come on, say it together. Why are you filming me, man?
I'm not.
You are.
I'm looking at the photos from tonight.
Face wipes before.
Hey?
Do you like your chewwyade?
You got more than biscuit?
No.
I need a bourbon biscuit.
Hey, you ain't filming me here.
No,
You are.
I'm not.
I sound like a dork.
Dog. I haven't heard that
On
one in
film.
about 8 years.
Right, geek.
I do, don't I?
Yeah.
Slap me.
Watch out.
I'm a tree.
Lucy said slap him. Go and slap him.
Slap me.
Hard. Soft.
Do what you like.
Hard. Fly.
Do what you like, real lovers.
Not haters.
No, on my face.
On
not on
his face. Go on, Liz.
No, you do.
I've got,
I give the love, but
I've got paper in my chewwyade.
You've got what's in your cherry?
No, paper.
Paper.
I've got no drink in my chewwyade. No.
Oh, why you
I wish I got my pillows.
Bloody pensions on me.
Why are you filming me?
I'm not.
I'm in love with you. Don't put that on Facebook, will you? All the boys after me.
All the boys after you?
Yeah, sure, you know.
Cool, that's it. Oh, did you want me to get your bourbon?
Yeah.
Oh. They're there. Carol's like you.
Carl, stop filming me. It's embarrassing. I know you're in love with me and that. Stop, babe. Don't. Go away, why? I love chewwyade. Oh, that's enough now. Me and Buzz have had enough.
You got your buzz. Oh, buzz.
Fucking hell. Oh, come on, stop. Hey? Do it.
We just make you do things.
I know. Maybe I'll sleep on the train track now.
You sleep on there, but we haven't got a duvet. What about
Don't
using
need
our
a duvet.
towels?
I don't need a duvet to keep me warm. I've got love.
You can have Gara's jacket. Why don't you just go to reception and tell them, ask them for a duvet? You haven't got a pillow either though.
Don't like reception. Been here before. Why are you filming me? Leave me alone. I'm going home anyway. I'll leave you girls to it.
You can't go home.
Why?
Because you'll never find your
Yeah, I know. I ain't got home yet. Who cares? Why? Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Tell me sweet little lies. Don't shed on my eyes.
Why are you filming me?
Because she's in love with you.
I know, I'm in love with her, but you know, we can't do nothing about it.
It's forbidden love.
That's it, that's the thing. It's forbidden love. She can't do nothing about it.
No. You know it, but you
You
just
know,
don't know
we
it.
just live too far away. I live in America, she lives in Australia. Just talking crap, don't worry about it.
Sorry?
I know.
Christy.
You talking crap?
Yep.
No. Really?
Yeah, me. I always talk crap. Why are you filming me? Don't. Look.
What?
Crazy fool. You are a crazy fool. Shh. Try to sleep. Who's that? Daniel and Janine?
See what?
I got douche.
Why? Can I ask why?
Why what?
Why are you filming?
Why not?
Why are you filming? Why are you filming me drinking out of a buzz straw?
Because it's funny.
Yeah, it ain't funny.
I can give him a top up.
Give me a top up, I ain't, you know, bang on it and all that. I'm addicted to
Do
this.
you want to top it up? Yeah.
Go on, me old chavvy.
I know, Chav.
Call me a buzz, look, he's bang on it, look.
Come on, you suck, I'll pour. Come on, baby.
Alright, that's got all paper in it.
Potato triangle!
Don't like potatoes.
How I do you want some more crackers before I eat more?
No, thank
No, I
you.
don't like them.
Oh, Lucy rock.
I love chewwyade, but
I do rock.
it does make me gassy. Got any Jack Daniels? Have you got any alcohol to go in that?
What? You do not want alcohol.
You've got Malibu.
I do.
You don't.
Oh, Dale boy drinks Malibu and cherryade.
Really?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does. Alright, watch an episode.
He does, I think he does.
Watch an episode of Only Fools and Horses, and he asks for a drink, and Rodney goes, what's that? And he
Yeah,
goes,
Malibu and cherry.
Malibu and cherryade. With a fucking umbrella. And ice cubes.
What a
Come on, hurry up. What's a concoction?
He actually says chewwyade.
He does, he goes, chewwyade. No. Bollocks.
I thought you were actually part
Look,
of
he's
the job.
fucking Buzz Lightyear's battered.
I'm
It's
sorry.
like, son, I'll help you out.
Do you want bacon fries for the pizza?
Yeah.
Are they Tesco's bacon fries?
Yeah, the best. Only the
Oh,
best.
yeah.
It's good enough.
What? You're obsessed, you are, with
How long
Buzz.
is that video, Cara?
She's obsessed with Buzz.
I used to be.
Yeah, I bet you did. I love chewwyade. Put some alcohol in that, please. Right, that's
Calm
it.
down.
I'm on strike. I'm on strike until you put alcohol in that.
Perform for the camera, monkey.
She fixates.
My head hurts. I need to go to sleep.
I think I